to do from this to this. First open PicsArt and select your photo. Then crop the part which you want. After selecting, resize it and place it. Then start removing the backgrounds. Like I said in the previous video, be careful on the edges since it's an important part. When you're done, then go for color adjustment. Keep your image as dark as possible since it's a dark environment. After finishing, if you need more adjustment, then go to tools and start adjusting the color. When you are done, then we have to add some grass to blend with the environment. Try to match the grass color with the environment. Then erase the side to blend with environment. To make it more realistic, we have to add some color shadows. To do that, we have to just tap on draw. Then we have to select color from the environment. And start color shadowing the body. To match it more accurately, just tap on layer, then select your opacity. Since I have a flashlight in my hand, so I'm going to add some lens flares to it. The light, I'm going to use the orangish yellow since it is more common. this extra lens flare, I'm going to blend it with another photo. Then erase the side to blend it. Then I'm going to add some fogs to make it more realistic. Again, erase the side to make it blend. Then adjust it with the environment. If you want to use more fogs, then just copy it and use it. Save the photo and open Adobe Lightroom. Unfortunately, I forgot to turn off my eye protection mode, that's why it is going to be a yellowish. Sorry for that. Then make the adjustment and you're ready to go. If you're still watching this video, that means this video was useful for you. So give it a like and subscribe for more like this. And you can also follow me on Instagram. I post edited videos, photos. That's it for now. I will see you soon again. Adios.